Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I have created this black smoky eye look and I have paired with this long western dress as you can see for Navami, that is day 9th of Navratri, and since it's Navami, the last day of Navratri, so I thought of making it a bit glam look. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I am using my translucent powder underneath my eyes to ensure that there are no fallouts. I have already completed my base using my LA Girl Pro HD foundation, and all the products shall be linked in the description box below. I am using my Makeup Revolution Iconic 2 palette, and from there I am using a soft brown shade to create my eyelids color and blending the color well into both my eyes. I am using the brush that comes with the palette itself. It's a good fluffy brush. Now I am using a grey shade from the same palette to deepen the crease. On both my eyes I am blending both the colors well to give it a very uniform effect. The third thing I am using is my LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean the inner corners and the inner half of my eyes and prepping it well for a shimmery shade. And I am blending the concealer using my PAC Beauty Blender. Now I am using an olive green shade from the same palette and patting it in the first 1/3 inner half of my eyes using a flat brush. And I am taking a black shade from the same palette for the outer corner of my eyes. Now since this is a black smoky eye look, make sure that the intensity of black is not too much that it gives a panda eyes instead of a smoky eye. I am taking the black on both my eyes and blending everything well with a fluffy brush that comes with the palette itself to ensure that all the colors are blended well and looks very uniform. I am using my all-time favorite Wet n Wild brow pencil to fill up my brows. This is a very affordable pencil for beginners. It comes with the pulley, and as you can see I am using the pulley side to set my brows first and then fill it from the other end. And that's complete my brow look. Now I am using my Color Bar eye pencil to sketch a very simple winged eyeliner for the look, and as you can see I am done with my eyeliner. Now since this is a black smoky eye look, so I thought of intensifying it a bit more using my Plum Kajal for the lower lash line. And now to set the kajal on place, I am using the black shade from the same palette to give it a more smudged and a more intensified look. Yeah, that's it for the eyes. And now I am using a silver shade from the same palette for the inner corners to pop. I have kept the rest of my face very neutral since this year we shall be wearing a mask and I don't want to load products on my face for those bad gross acnes. I am not wearing any lipstick, but if you want you can add a nude lipstick to this look. Now to finish up the look, I shall be curling my eyelashes and using a mascara. I am curling my lashes using my Vega eyelash curler. And for the false lash effect I am using a L'Oreal Butterfly mascara. I am not wearing any falsies. This is a very voluminous waterproof mascara that stays on for a very long period of time as well as give a false lash effect. And that's complete my eye look. Yeah, this is the complete look. As you can see, I have worn this western dress for Navami to make it a bit more glam and special, wearing this black smoky eye for all the videos.
And that's it for today's video. Hope all of you liked it, and a very happy and safe Navratri to all of you, and Shubho Sharodya in advance. Till then, bye, love you, take care, tata.